The sewage water from all the buildings goes to a pump well, which is located behind the main building. In the well there are 2 pumps that push the sewage water to the treatment facility, which is located at the end of the parking lot. If both of these pumps get blocked, the level in the well would rise and eventually overflow into the buildings, causing a lot of damage. To prevent this from happening, there is an alarm placed on the main building that will blink and sound if the level gets too high. If the alarm goes off, go to the workshop. Put on waterproof clothes, boots, one-time gloves, heavy-duty gloves and goggles. Take a bucket and go to the pump control panel. Turn off the 2 pumps by turning the switches. It is very important to turn off the pumps before any work is done, as they can start without notice and are very powerful. Open the lid of the well and pull up the floating sensor furthest to the right. Hang it on the wooden structure with the cable pointing up. Now you can silence the alarm by pressing the red button on the pump control panel. Using the blue rope, pull up each of the pumps. Never pull in the electric cable, as this can destroy the pumps. Turn them around and remove any blockage. Throw it in the bucket. Then lower the pumps down again. Be careful to not get any electric cable stuck, and make sure they slide down along the metal bars. The pumps stand in hollows in the bottom of the well. Make sure they get all the way down. On the control panel, turn on the pumps again. The surface should be still when the pumps are running. If it is turbulent, they are not properly placed. Try again to lift them and drop them with the rope until they fall into place. Within a few minutes there should be a noticeable decrease in waste level. When the level has dropped so far that the level sensor can hang freely, lower it into the well and close the lid. Take the bucket with waste to the sewage treatment facility. Open one of the solid waste tanks and empty the bucket. Finally take the clothes you used to the laundry and run them in the dirty laundry machine.